Alright guys, next we're going to do the Wonder Woman design. This one is popular with girls for obvious reasons. Also, this design is often used on the forehead, and you can add glitter when you're done to add that extra pop. So we're going to start with the W. You're going to make a little arrow, and then you're going to come up high on either side. Then you're going to extend out from the tops, and you're going to do that 3 times. And you'll notice they gradually get a little shorter as they go downward. Go ahead and grab another brush, and you're going to do red. Load that up. Now here's the tricky part. You've got to fill in the red in between. So if the child is super wiggly, I would not recommend going along with this design. I find it helps to outline before filling in. Just kind of keeps everything a little more tidy. Okay, so once that's all filled in, if you've strayed across the lines, now's your chance to kind of clean it up a bit. So you can go over your yellow one more time. And there you have it, Wonder Woman.